AI is moving fast, and when you miss the signals, you can miss real opportunities in your work, your business, or your next career move. Tracking AI trends isn't about chasing buzz. It's about seeing what matters early enough to act on it. When you stay current, you notice shifts earlier. That gives you more time to test new tools, rethink workflows, and respond before the market forces your hand. Maybe you're a marketer, a student, or a team leader. In every case, knowing what's changing helps you spot openings other people haven't seen yet. And if a role or industry is being reshaped by automation, awareness gives you a head start on adapting instead of reacting late. Trend awareness sharpens decisions because it helps you ask better questions before you adopt anything new. Instead of picking the loudest tool on social media, you can compare whether it actually saves time, improves quality, or fits your team's workflow. It also helps with timing. Some tools are worth piloting early while others need to mature before they deserve budget or trust. That shift from hype to fit is what turns trend tracking into smarter decisions, not just more information. For individuals, AI literacy can open new paths. It helps you speak the language of emerging tools and contribute with more confidence. That can lead to reskilling, new responsibilities, or roles that didn't exist a few years ago, from prompt design to AI operations and governance. For businesses, trend awareness fuels smarter innovation because teams can see where customers, competitors, and technology are moving together. And when leadership understands the landscape, planning gets stronger. You invest with more intention and fewer surprises. Watching AI trends isn't only about capability, it's also about responsibility. New models and tools can create bias, expose private data, or produce confident answers that still need human review. Regulation matters too because rules around transparency, copyright, and accountability are changing right alongside the technology. If you track innovation without tracking governance, you only understand half the story. Start by deciding what you actually want to track. If your focus is fuzzy, your feed will be noisy. You might follow new tools for productivity, major research breakthroughs, competitor moves, policy updates, or AI use cases in your industry. A teacher, for example, may care about assessment tools and classroom policy, while a founder may care more about automation, cost, and customer experience. The goal is to build a watch list that matches your decisions, not somebody else's interests. Once you know your focus areas, build a toolkit around them. One source is never enough. Use a mix of alerts, trusted newsletters, social feeds, research labs, industry communities, and trend dashboards so you can cross-check what you're seeing. For example, a newsletter might flag a new model release. A research source explains what changed, and community discussion reveals how people are actually using it. The best toolkit doesn't overwhelm you. It combines fast signals with slower, more thoughtful sources. Next, make the process repeatable. Capture useful signals in one place instead of letting them disappear into tabs and notifications. You can save links, tag themes, and keep short notes on why something matters, whether it's a new capability, a business shift, or a policy change. Then review your collection on a weekly rhythm. Ask what looks important, what repeats across sources, and what actually affects your goals. That simple filter keeps you from drowning in headlines and helps you turn information into decisions. A lot of people make the same mistake. They chase every headline and end up learning very little. Another trap is relying on one voice, one platform, or one influencer. That narrows your view and can distort what matters. It's also easy to confuse an exciting announcement with real adoption. A demo can look huge before it proves useful in the real world. And if you never connect trends to outcomes like time saved, risk reduced, or new value created, the tracking never turns into action. So the system is simple. Define what matters to you, choose a balanced set of sources, and review signals with a consistent filter. Then turn what you learn into action by testing tools, updating plans, and sharing useful insights with your team or network. When you do that regularly, trend tracking stops being passive watching and becomes a real advantage. Don't wait for the perfect system. Start today by choosing one AI topic you care about and one trusted source to follow this week. Small, consistent tracking beats occasional catching up, and the habit you build now can shape better decisions all year. Give yourself 20 minutes this week and make AI trend tracking part of how you grow. And here's a fun reminder of how strange this field can be. AI systems have learned patterns from so much internet text that they can sound uncannily confident even when they're completely wrong. So stay curious, keep your filter on, and remember that in AI, impressive and hilarious sometimes arrive on the same day.